Pooja ma'am, I'm a huge fan of your dance. I'm Divesh from Karavani Cousins YouTube channel. My question is a bit tough for Pooja ma'am. Chapar Danda.
Chapar Danda.
In and Dubai la ಗೋಲಿ ಬಜೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಶೀರಾ ಬರ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು
really volba tikkundu
ಪೂರ ಕಡೆ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನ ಹೋಟೆಲ್
in a favorite actually.
Okay.
Mangalore buns yeah, I love even goli bhaji. Have you had goli bhaji in Mangalore? It's the best.
My question is, when we can see you act in Kannada movies? We wish that you receive an award from Saima for Kannada movies.
Thank you so much. Let's see, hopefully very soon. I heard a couple of scripts and I think if I feel like it's the right film for me to do, I'm very emotional about that industry because I know for sure that if I do it, all my family members are going to go first thing and watch it and give me all their reviews. So it's a decision that I don't take very lightly. But hopefully if some director from Kannada is watching over here, I would love to be a part of it and hopefully I can entertain you their roles.
Thank you so much. One last question. What do you love most about Dubai when you come here?
The food. There are some really good food places and now that you've told me about the Mangalore buns, maybe I'll go and have some of that also. Yeah. 15th, 16th Mulpa Saima Dubai down undo. Please balle 15th, 14th, 15th. Sorry. 15th, 16th Barochi, 14th, 15th balle. 14th, 15th batte baka enjoy malple yenna performance lo undu. Yan onji Mangalorean girl like ir pantilaka panilaka like yan ನಿಗಲ್ನಾನೆ ಜನ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಮುಲ್ಪ ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೀಚ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಿಗಲ್ನ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಗಲೆಗೆ ಇತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ನೋ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಈವನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ